How would you like to earn money online by just watching videos? What's going on everyone, Nathan here, and that's exactly what we are going to cover in today's video here. To find out all the details, all you have to do is stay with me, but first, if you're new around here, consider subscribing to my YouTube channel because I upload videos about how to make money online, work from home opportunities, entrepreneurship and much more on a consistent basis. And make sure you also hit the notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. Alright, before we dive into this opportunity here today, make sure you watch the whole video so you don't miss out on any important information. And you're probably not going to get rich by just watching videos online. So if you're interested in making a full-time passive income online, build a real sustainable online business, I highly suggest you to have a look at my #1 recommendation right here below at the end of this video, of course. But this is another perfect opportunity to make some extra money online while you build your real online business there. Alright, with that being said, let's get started. Okay, so the first site that we are going to have a look at today here is actually grabpoints.com. So if you just go to grabpoints.com, this is how it looks when you arrive here. And you can see here that advertisers pay, we recruit members like you, you do online activities like watching videos, which we are interested in, but you can also of course make money by taking surveys, completing offers, downloading apps and more. And you can see here you earn free gift cards or PayPal cash. So what we are interested in, as I said here are actually some testimonials before I proceed. And we are interested in the section where it says watch videos. So if you go here, we can clearly see that traditional television is old school, and with online video streaming becoming the dominant way people consume media, advertisers are also looking for new ways to cash in on this development. Buying ad space on TV is still pricey, so advertisers work with companies such as GrabPoints to provide guaranteed exposure to their ads. Advertisers pay GrabPoints, and when you finish watching a video, GrabPoints pays you. So really simple, you just watch videos, and for each one you complete, you earn some points there. Once you have reached the minimum amounts of points required, you can redeem your earnings as a cash or gift cards if you prefer that. So you can have a look, of course, at the details for yourself, check them out at grabpoints.com. But it is really simple. You register, you check out the different channels, you start to watch videos, and you earn points there. And of course, the more you watch, the more you will earn. Really simple. After that, you can withdraw them, and you will receive your rewards within 48 hours here. PayPal is definitely the #1 recommendation here, of course. So make sure you go to grabpoints.com, have a look at the details there, sign up and get started, watch videos and earn money online. Alright, let me show you another opportunity site that you can do actually the same. You can go to earnably.com, which is a site that you can make money with completing tasks, watching videos and taking surveys. So pretty similar as GrabPoints. This is definitely one of the most popular sites online also there. So if you go to the About section, you can see here we reward our members with instant cash and free gift cards for completing simple tasks, watching videos and answering surveys. So this is also a site that you can make money with, not only by just watching videos, but you can make by taking surveys or do some small tasks that they ask you to do if you want to, of course. So earnably.com, have a look at it, definitely worth to sign up for, and is very popular indeed here also. Let's move on to another site, and that is superpay.me. Superpay.me, you go to the section where it says how it works. You join for free here, and you can make money by taking part in paid surveys, We have 100 of new surveys available, but you can also earn money by watching videos, which is what we are interested in. So it's definitely up to you if you just want to watch videos online, but if I was like you, I would definitely go for a few surveys on something like that to earn even more money. And you can see here completing some paid offers and trials there as well. Over 90% of payments are paid within 8 hours via PayPal, Bitcoin and Skrill. So that is also very, very nice. Or you can of course exchange your points for Tango gift cards, which can be used for popular retail such as Amazon, Starbucks, Nike, Macy's and more. It's up to you totally what you want to do with your money there. And you can see here free paid surveys, there is paid trials and offers, and videos, which is the section that we are interested in. There is also a referral program, so if you do have a few friends that wants to make some extra money, you just share your link and you tell them that you found a site that you can make money by just watching videos online there. So just go to superpay.me, have a look at the details. There is a help section there, an FAQ, how it works and how you can make money online with this site there also. Alright, basically as I said in the beginning, you're not going to get rich by just watching videos online. It is a good way to make some extra money, but nothing you will get rich on. So if you're interested in making a full-time passive income online, build a real sustainable online business, you want to check out my #1 recommendation right here below this video. Alright, if you got some value out of this video, I really appreciate if you smash that like button below. You find an end screen with 2 channel recommendations. Make sure you subscribe to both. Make sure you hit the notification bell also so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. And you also find another Make Money Online video recommendation there. That's it for today. Thanks a lot for watching and I'll see you soon.